Two-step verification, also known as 2SV, provides our members with an extra layer of protection by sending a code via SMS or email if it is noticed there are higher risk factors at login, such as logging in from a different IP address. Two-step verification replaces the old security questions previously required. Signing up is quick and easy. When you sign in to online banking or the mobile app, you will be prompted to provide your preferences for two-step verification. You can choose to receive any two-step verification codes by SMS, email, or both. Enter your mobile number and/or your email address when prompted. When ready, choose to send the code. Check your text messages or email. Then come back to the login page and enter the code received. You have now enrolled in two-step verification. To learn more about 2SV, visit our website.